Tropical paradise, one of the most popular beach destinations in the Philippines. Boracay Island is blessed with a long stretch of powdery white sand, crystal clear and azure waters, a stunning sunset, and more.
Want you to take me home, I'm falling. Love me long, I'm rolling. Losing control, body and soul. Meant to for sure, I'm already yours. It's like a Polaroid love 사랑 촌스러운 그 감정 근데 내 가슴이 뛰어 왜 사랑에 목매는 건지 어차피 뻔한 Ling.
Three, two, one.
Going on vacation, so where you wanna go? Love is our destination. We're going on vacation, so where you wanna go? It's a celebration, don't need no invitation. Going on vacation, so where you wanna go? Love is our destination. We're going on vacation. Ready or not, here we go. Vacation time. Taking off.
Sugit na kalula mo
Kabalik.
Nangalimog lang sa nay.
Let's go! Let's go!
Sabi ko, kung nakapunta, kapag i-check yan. Diet mami.
3, 2, 1.
It's a beautiful day to be with you. It's a beautiful day to be with you. Oh, when I see your face, it's true. The skies are bright and blue. It's a beautiful day to be with you. Outside it feels like rain.
Bora be like,
Oo.
Ikaw man, Dad? May
Hindi ko. Ikaw lang. Toothbrush na ko.
hey, you tell
Kan.
her, 30 cassia and me.
Sa may likuan natin, sa may pisis kami. Pila gani?
Ate ho.
Pila?
30.
Saan pa ka 50 ah? Okay na.
Ikaw sir, tayo ka sir.
Oh, yeah.
Kaya naka.
Okay lang. John, okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wala na kami. Bye-bye, Boracay. Nagpangita lang kami sa QR. Kasang taho nga nag-QR.
It's like a Polaroid love 사단촌스러운 그 감정 근데 내 가슴이 뛰어 왜 날 왜 사랑에 목매는 거지 어차피 뻔한
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I want you to take me home, I'm falling. Love me long, I'm rolling. Losing control, body and soul. Mental for sure, I'm already yours.
To prevent hassles, upon entering Boracay, please prepare your health declaration card, printed with QR code, your fully vaccinated card, and your hotel accommodation. For those who are traveling from Bacolod to Dumangas, you will be paying 80 pesos for the barge and 30 pesos for terminal fee. Upon arrival at Chetty Port, please prepare the 3 important requirements. Then proceed to cashier for payment of terminal fee of 100 pesos, 50 pesos for boat ticket, and 150 for environmental fee. Going home, prepare your fully vaxxed card, your health declaration card, and your pen, as they will require you to write something on a green paper. Then proceed to payment of terminal fee of 100 pesos and 50 pesos for the boat ticket. Finally, with Montenegro shipping lines, regular fare is 192 and 163 for student fare. Don't forget to bring your IDs and extra money for the activities. Enjoy!